Hey there, homesteaders. How's it going? I thought I'd take this time to introduce you to our wood cook stove.
My favorite thing to do on a chilly day.
Her name is Ahneeda. She's our wood burning stove out of Serbia that we got online. She has many last names. I need a log. I need a cleaning. I need a scraping.
It's just a little slow.
I need an adjustment.
100 more at 375.
I need some ash removed. Anyway, right now she's making some fresh homemade bread for us. Danielle's been working real hard on the ingredients and kneading and getting it going with the bread machine.
It was the perfect July day for making bread because we just had a rain the night before and it was pretty chilly outside. So I thought I would take advantage of it.
And old Anita, she keeps us warm and bakes our bread and heats up our water. We love her.
I wanted 375 and it was sitting below 350. So I had to get that heated up a little bit more.
It's a particularly serene moment, and just thought we'd share it with you.
And it smells really good in the house right now. It smells like fresh baked bread.
We hope that your homestead is cozy and wonderful and produces all the things you need. Happy homesteading.